Welcome our audience in the channel Learn Cooking. Today we'll do a lemon pickle. The ingredients I have a hard or tough salt, and a red hot pepper, chili pepper, lemon. I have nigel stiff and safflower. These spices I mix them together. We put the safflower more than or double the nigel stiff. I cut the lemon and divide it into 4 pieces. I cut the lemon and divide it into 4 pieces. Put these spices. I get a little and put inside the lemon and put it in a jar. I do the same for every lemon. I divide it into 4 pieces and put the spices inside, just a little, and put the lemon in the jar. Then I squeeze the lemon. I get 1 lemon. I open it and squeeze the lemon. I put a lemon juice on the lemon in the jar. After I finished the lemon pickle, the shape of the jar is like this. It hasn't any water. There isn't any water in the lemon pickle. After 1 month, you can eat the lemon pickle. It's like this. You can see it's very nice and delicious. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. If you have any comments, write it to me. Lemon pickle is very nice. I hope you enjoy watching the video and try doing it.